Welcome to our guide on how to post a rotated photo on Facebook using the latest methods. Let's dive into the steps to create and share your rotated photos with ease. To begin, open the Facebook app on your Android device and navigate to the What's on Your Mind section to start composing your post. Tap on the option to add a photo video to your post. You can choose to select a photo from your gallery or capture a new one using the in-app camera feature. Once you've selected the photo you want to share, you'll have the option to edit it before posting. Tap on the Edit option to access editing tools. Navigate to the bottom left corner of the editing screen and tap on the Crop tool. This is where you can rotate the photo to your desired orientation. After rotating the photo to your liking, tap on the Done button to confirm the changes. You can also add a caption to accompany your rotated photo if you wish. Next, tap on the Next button and then select the Share option located at the top right corner of the screen to publish your post with the rotated photo. By following these steps, you can easily post a rotated photo on Facebook using your Android device, allowing you to showcase your creativity and share visually engaging content with your friends and followers. Thank you for watching and enjoy posting your rotated photos on Facebook.